Welcome to this edition of Video Drone by DIY3DTech.com. In this episode, we're going to take a quick look at printing this. So, what is this? Well, if we take a look at over here, what this is a GoPro mount for a Syma X8C. So it fits on the underbelly of the bird and has a standard sort of three-finger GoPro mount, as you see here. So we can take a look at this, and it actually comes in two versions, one with a three-finger and one with a two-finger mount. We'll take a look at that in a minute. This is the the one with the two fingers. So we're going to actually print out both the two and three-finger mount. It also comes with a mounting bracket, as we can see here, that takes a 1/4-20 insert. We're not going to go ahead and print that in this round because I already have one of these for my GoPro camera to attach it. So I do want to go back here for a second. So I've downloaded the STL files from the site, and then I've got them open in Cura. So I do want to kind of show you guys what this looks like. So you get three pieces in this download. So here's the one with the three fingers, the version with the two fingers, and then the one that takes the 1/4-20 insert. And so you see here, now I've left this one here. I am going to go ahead and delete this one before printing, and because I don't really need this one, so I'm going to delete this. I don't want to delete this object. This one, delete that object. And so I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to go ahead and oh, before I do that, let's take a quick look at settings. So I'm going to print this at a 0.2 layer height because I want it to be fairly strong, so I want a good number of layers. I'm going to print this at a shell thickness of about 0.8 millimeters, and the same thing for a bottom and top thickness of about 0. I'm going to do an infill of about 50 because I want it to be pretty solid. I'm going to slow down the print speed to 40 because, again, these are smaller objects. Printing temperature and all that's pretty standard. So what I'm going to do now is just save out this G code and put this out on here, and then just save my G code, and then yep, I'm going to replace it because I've already saved it once, just repeating this. So let's hop over, take a time lapse, and then let's come back to the bench and see how it fits on the bottom of the Syma X8. So see you over at the bench. Okay, welcome back. So we got the X8 platform here. So I've already test fitted the bracket on. So as I mentioned, we got the two brackets, a 3 and a 2, and it slides on there. Now, one of the things to note is this prints out, and with no supports, it does actually a very nice job. It's actually recessed in here, so it snaps on to this lip. So what happens, and I'll see if I can't zoom in on it, is this lip catches on here. So as this slides in, it's a little bit snug fit, which is good. You can hear it kind of pop, and it actually locks in until you press this to slide it back. So there's also the one with the three fingers, and again, this slides on, and it locks on there, and actually it's pretty good. Really happy with this design. So if you're looking for a GoPro style mount for your Syma X8 platform, I can highly recommend this. It does pretty good. So what we're going to do, since now I've printed off both of these, I needed now a camera mount. So one of the things with the camera housing is kind of heavy for the translucent housing. So I'm going to go off on Thingiverse in the next episode and print off a frame for some of my cheap Chinese cameras, GoPro knockoffs, and we'll see how that fits on here. So keep watching for the next episode where we do that and we see how that works on here. And hey, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and hey, we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.